I've tried clove water on my hair, but it makes my hair crunchy. For that reason, I don't like using it. However, I do enjoy using clove infused oil and clove essential oils in my hair care routine. I often infuse cloves into my oils, especially my coconut oil, and I have a unique recipe which I want to share with you in this video today. It's unlike any recipe I've seen here on social media, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to Self-Care Voyage. My amazing subscribers, a warm welcome to you, and if you're visiting for the first time, I'm happy to have you here. Let's get into the video, shall we? First, we'll grind the cloves to increase their surface area and maximize the infusion process. I am adding 4 spoons of cloves. Now let us close the coffee grinder and pulverize our cloves. Here are the benefits of clove oil. Add half of the grounded cloves to a pot or saucepan. Next, we'll combine the ground cloves with coconut oil to start the infusion process. I used 20 tablespoons. Gently heat the mixture on low heat for 60 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now I'll show you a unique double infusion method for an extra potent clove infused oil. Add a fresh batch of ground cloves to a heat resistant jar. Then add the initial infused oil only to the jar. Do not add this to the jar. Gently heat the mixture again on low heat for 60 minutes. This double infusion method intensifies the clove essence. After the infusion process, cover and store for a few days. Give it a few shakes now and again. You can store your oil in a dark container, but I will transfer mine to this clean glass jar. We'll strain the oil to remove the cloves. Store the oil in a cool, dark place to extend its shelf life. I trust you've enjoyed my unique clove recipe. Stay beautiful, continue to shine, and until next time, remember, your self-care journey starts now.